All right, guys. It is, what time is it? What time is it? It's 8:50. We are out here finishing up the plumbing. It's pretty chilly. The girls, let me see. Well, you can't see with the light. Can you see the car? The car is right here. The girls are watching Barbie Dreamtopia on my phone. It has been a long day of me in town going to every freaking store. I've been to Lowe's 3 times today. I've been to Home Depot twice. I've been to Harbor Freight. I've gotten food. It has been exhausting. And as soon as I got out here trying to help him, he's like, I am missing one piece. And I'm like, no, you're not. You're joking. You're freaking joking. He was missing one piece, one of the joineries. So I literally was like, okay, well, I guess I'll go get it. And he's like, they close at 8. And it was already 7:30. So I get Georgia in the car, I get Charleston in, I drive to town, I get to Lowe's at 7:54. And they let me in, and I got the pieces, and I rushed him back out here. But you're smirking. At least I'm getting a smirk out of him. Psycho has not ate all day because he is too focused on this. How's it going? Good? Slow? No? Pretty fast? He said we have a couple more hours of this out here, so hopefully it's not that long. He said the coyotes were out howling pretty good. We haven't heard them yet. It was a little spooky. I've never been out at the property at night, maybe once or twice to feed in the wintertime, but we haven't been out. I haven't been out here this late yet. And I mean, you can't really see. There's the moon. It's beautiful out here. It's just, man, it was a little spooky driving down our road. I was like, oh gosh, I can't see anything. My brights are on. It was really fun though. So we're getting this wrapped up. I'll be posting some more pictures and stuff. We knew it was going to be a late night. He had me go get a floodlight. And that's why that was one of my trips to Lowe's, was for a hand level and a floodlight. And they didn't have any. They only had like $160 ones. And I'm like, that's not happening. And they were out of stock. So then we ended up going to Harbor Freight. And I found this one for like $89-$90, which I'm still like, geez, but we needed it. And then he's got his little headlamp on. This is so fun. But in the end, we're going to have a house, so it's pretty great. I can add plumbing to my resume now. And trenching. I'm a very good trencher. It's 10:20, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 more pieces left to glue, and then we're done. I am exhausted. The light. The kids are in the car zombieing out to Dora the Explorer, which they've never seen before. I think they like it. And then we can get home and take a nice hot shower and go to sleep. Kids need baths because they are filthy. I hope they don't fall asleep on the car ride home. It's a little crazy. Tim, I just held the last piece to get cut, and Tim is carrying it over right now. Can you hear the coyotes? They're in Hunter's pasture.